IELTS Academic Reading, Cambridge 3 Test to Reading Passage 3, The Concept of Role Theory, with best solutions and best explanations. This academic IELTS reading post focuses on solutions to IELTS Cambridge 3 Reading Test to Reading Passage 3 titled The Concept of Role Theory. This is a targeted post for IELTS candidates who have big problems finding out and understanding reading answers in the AC module. This post can guide you the best to understand every reading answer without much trouble. Finding out IELTS reading answers is a steady process, and this post will assist you in this respect. IELTS Cambridge 3 Test 1, AC Reading Module. Reading Passage 3, Questions 29 to 40. The headline of the passage, The Concept of Role Theory. Questions 29 to 35 yes, no, not given. In this type of question, candidates are asked to find out whether the statement in the question matches with the claim of the writer in the text. Yes, the statement in the question contradicts with the claim of the writer in the text. No, the statement in the question has no clear connection with the account in the text. Not given. Tips for this type of question. You can divide each statement into 3 independent pieces and make your way through with the answer. Question number 29. It would be a good idea to specify the role definitions of soldiers more clearly. Keywords for the question. Great idea. Specify role definitions of soldiers more clearly. In the role definition section of the text, we find about soldiers in paragraph number 5 in lines 5 to 7. In very significant cases of role change, e.g. from a soldier in the ranks to officer, from bachelor to married man, the change of role has to have a very obvious sign, hence rituals. However, there is no mention of specifying the role definitions of soldiers more clearly. So, the answer is not given. Question number 30. Accountants may be similar to one another because they have the same type of job. Keywords for the question. Accountants may be similar one another because same type of job. The answer can again be found in paragraph number 2 of the role definition section. The author of the text says in lines 3 to 5, hence, there is some likelihood that all accountants will be alike or that all blondes are similar. They are forced that way by the expectations of their role. Here, all accountants will be alike is equal to accountants may be similar to one another. There is some likelihood is equal to may. So, the answer is a yes. Question number 31. It is probably a good idea to keep dress as a role sign even nowadays. Keywords for the question. Probably, good idea, keep, dress, role sign, even nowadays. Again, in the role definition section, in paragraph number 4 take a look at lines 2 to 4. The current trend towards blurring these role signs in dress is probably democratic, but it also makes some people very insecure. Here, the current trend is equal to nowadays, blurring these role signs in dress is equal to not keeping role signs in dress, makes some people very insecure is equal to probably not a good idea. The lines mean, in a reverse way, that keeping role signs in dress is a good idea. So, the answer is a yes. Question number 32. The decline in emphasis on marriage rituals should be reversed. Keywords for the question. Decline, emphasis, marriage rituals should be reversed. In the role definition section, in paragraph number 5 take a look at lines 7 to 9. It is interesting to observe, for instance, some decline in the emphasis given to marriage rituals. This could be taken as an indication that there is no longer such a big change in role from single to married person, and therefore no need for a public change in sign. Here, In these lines, we find about the decline in the emphasis on marriage rituals. However, we do not find any information about reversing the decline. So, the answer is not given. Question number 33. Today furniture operates as a role sign in the same way as dress has always done. Keywords for the question: today, furniture, operates, role sign, same way, as dress, always done. In the role definition section, in paragraph number 6, take a look at lines 1 to 2. In organizations, office signs and furniture are often used as role signs. These and other perquisites of status are often frowned upon, but they may serve a purpose as a kind of uniform in a democratic society. Here, uniform is equal to dress. So, the answer is a yes. Question number 34. It is a good idea to remove role ambiguity. Keywords for the question: good idea, remove, role ambiguity. Let's read the first paragraph of the role ambiguity section. Here, lines 4 to 5 mention: if his occupation of the role is unclear, or if it differs from that of the others in the role set, there will be a degree of role ambiguity. Is this bad? Not necessarily. Here, not necessarily is equal to having role ambiguity is not a bad idea. So, the answer is no. Question number 35. Job descriptions eliminate role ambiguity for managers. Keywords for the question: job descriptions, eliminate, role ambiguity, managers. Have a look at the first paragraph of the role ambiguity section. Here, line number 7 say: the virtue of job descriptions is that they lessen this role ambiguity. Here, lessen is equal to reduce, not eliminate. So, the answer is no. Questions 36 to 39. Completing sentences with one or two words. In this type of question, candidates are asked to write maximum 2 words to complete sentences on the given topic. For this type of question, first, skim the passage to find the keywords in the paragraph concerned with the answer, and then scan to find the exact word. Tips: here scanning technique will come in handy. Target the keywords of the questions to find the answers. Remember to focus on proper nouns, random capital letters, numbers, special characters of text, etc. Question number 36. A new headmaster of a school who enlarges his office and puts in expensive carpeting is using the office as a underscore. Keywords for the question: new headmaster, school, enlarges, office, puts in expensive carpeting, using the office as. In the role definition section, have a close look at lines 1 to 2. Place is another role sign. Managers often behave very differently outside the office. And in it, even to the same person. Here, enlarges his office and puts in expensive carpeting is equal to using the office as a role sign. So, the answer is role sign. Question number 37. The graduation ceremony, in many universities, is an important Keywords for the question: graduation ceremony, many universities, and important. In the role definition section, have a close look at lines 5 to 7. In very significant cases of role change, e.g. from a soldier in the ranks to officer, from bachelor to married man, the change of role has to have a very obvious sign, hence rituals. Here, role change is equal to graduation ceremony. So, the answer is ritual. Question number 38. The wig which judges wear in UK courts is a Keywords for the question: wig, judges wear, UK courts is. Again, in the role definition section, lines 1 to 3 of paragraph number 6 say, in organizations, office signs and furniture are often used as role signs. These and other perquisites of status are often frowned upon, but they may serve a purpose as a kind of uniform in a democratic society. Here, office signs is equal to the wig which judges wear. So, the answer is role sign. Question number 39. The parents of students in a school are part of the headmasters underscore. Keywords for the question, parents of students, school, part of the headmasters. In the role ambiguity section, the first 3 lines of paragraph number 1 state, role ambiguity results when there is some uncertainty in the minds, either of the focal person or of the members of his role set, as to precisely what his role is at any given time. Here, the members of his role set is equal to the parents of students, are part of the headmaster's role set. So, the answer is role set. Question 40. Multiple choice questions. This type of question asks you to choose a suitable answer from the options using the knowledge you gain from the passage. Generally, this question is set found as the last question set in most passages, so you should not worry much about it. Finding all the answers for previous questions gives you a good idea about these questions. Question number 40. This text is taken from. Keywords for the question, text, taken from. A. A guide for new managers in a company. B. A textbook analysis of behavior in organizations. C. A critical study of the importance of role signs in modern society. D. A newspaper article about role changes. Answering all the questions from the passage clearly indicates that this text is an analysis of the significance or importance of role signs in the present world. So, the answer is C. A critical study of the importance of role signs in modern society.